Hello, my name is Mark Smith, VP of Engineering here at PowerPhysics, and I'm going to show you how to use the web server that we have set up. This is a server, this is a web page server and a tool that we use every day at PowerPhysics. We have our own internal website. We have an external websites that we set up for various purposes to collaborate with other organizations. And Twiki is an open source software that's available at www.twiki.org. It's an excellent tool, and today I'm going to show you some of the basic things you need to know in order to use this site effectively. I'm going to show you how to edit the page, because that's the whole idea on a Twiki web page, is that anybody that is a user to that web page can edit it. I'm going to show you how to attach documents, anywhere from Excel documents to pictures, anything that any file you can attach onto the web page to collaborate and share between users of that web page. I'm going to show you how to create a drawing on the web page using its own, like the browser's own native Java. And then I'm going to show you how to create topics on that web page, because you may want a whole nother page dedicated to a particular topic. I'm going to show you how to do that, and then ultimately how to look at the revisions of a particular web topic. Because another neat thing about the Twiki web page and web topics is that there's complete revision control. You know when people have changed and what they changed, and there's a complete history of that change. So it's a great history of a particular project. It's all right there on the web page. So let's go through. I'm going to turn this and so you can see the screen, and let's go through these steps real quick. Okay, this is a website that we've set up for interfacing with our contract manufacturers. And I'll move this page just a little bit so you can see it. But the key is let's go ahead and show you how to edit this page. You just have this little button up here and you hit edit. And then what happens is you'll get a WYSIWYG editor that's built into your browser. And I'm going to go ahead and create a new web page off of this main web page, and I'm going to call it test script P500V48, and this is a test jig specification for the P500 power supply. And what you'll notice here is that I'm going to create a new topic page off of this main one, and it's going to create a link to a new topic page, and that's where the link is. And I'm using a term called a wiki word. You want to look this up under the help of the wiki page. And the way the wiki word works is it starts with a capital letter. You'll see a capital T right here. Then you have to have any number of capital letters followed by any number of lowercase letters. In this case, it's EST, followed by any number of capital letters, and that's followed by this S. That's a capital S. Then after that, everything else can be anything really. You can have numbers, letters, anything else. The key is that you have a set of uppercase, lowercase, uppercase letters. Okay, so that's our wiki word. Go ahead and save this page. Just hit the save button, and there's our new page, and there's our new line right there. Now, since I'm creating this new web topic off this other topic, and this new topic is going to contain our test jig specification in this case, since I created the wiki word, there's this arrow button here. Now that is what we need to do to actually create the topic. So I click that button right there, and here's our new topic page. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and edit this page now. And I'll create a new heading, and this is test jig, excuse my spelling. Okay. And I'm going to hit save, and now I've created a new topic page. Okay, so how do we attach files to any of these topic pages that we create. Not only can we add text and use the WYSIWYG editor here, but we can also attach files. So I'm going to hit this attach button, and then hit browse, and you can attach anything, any file that you want to use. In this case, I'm going to attach a schedule file because I want to track and keep my development schedule of this test jig up here on the topic page. And I'm going to go test jig development schedule. There it is. And then what you do is you want to click this link called create a link. Hit upload. There it is. If I wanted to create, let me do another one. I'll attach a picture. Let me go find a picture. Pictures. Let's see if there's some pictures in my web page. Yeah, it's a random picture, maybe of my daughter here. And maybe something else. Okay, I'll just create a picture of my little girl. Okay, hit open. When you add pictures, it will actually automatically add the link to that picture, and so not only is the file uploaded, but the actual picture will upload. So, in this case, there's a picture. Okay, of my little girl. Okay, so we've shown you how to edit, attach. Now let's say we want to create a drawing using the native Java that's in the browser. You can do that by adding a command, a drawing command, inside the editor. Okay, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to type in, what you do is you use %, then capital drawing, bracket, and then I'm going to call this a block diagram, end bracket, %. I'm going to hit save. Okay, so now there's this edit button here. All you got to do is hit edit. That's where that drawing was, and this opens up this native Java drawer, and I'm going to create a block diagram here. And it has kind of the typical tools that you would see for a basic type editor. I'm going to hit drawing, save and exit. And then there's the drawing kind of showing right there. Another neat thing about this, the Twiki web pages, is that we have complete revision control of what's going on. We can see what those old revisions were. In this page, since we just created it, there's only one showing up here. But let's go back to the main one, and this right here, the main web page. And on this one, there's like 23 you'll see here. Let's go back to 22. You remember 23, we added this line right here, this page right here. Let's go back to 22 and see if it shows up there. Yeah, and say that line was gone. Okay. So if you needed a history of what's going on, you can also hit this history button that shows you all the changes all combined, kind of at different levels. It gives you the dates and so on. So you have complete review control. You can, if you mess up, you can go back and then restore it the way it was. Okay, so I've talked about how to edit, the basic steps to editing a topic page, how to create wiki words. You want to look that up on your help for the topic page, for the Twiki website. I've shown you how to attach a file, attach pictures. I've shown you how to look at the revision control. And hopefully this is kind of gives you a real basic overview of some of the powerful tools and things that a Twiki web page can do for us. Okay, good luck.